This small cottage looks like a dream house, Mr. Higgins.
I am very happy that you like the style, Emma.
The garden is full of beautiful red and white roses.
My wife spent many years taking care of this garden.
I promise to water all the plants every single morning.
That is very kind of you to offer that, Emma.
Here is the heavy brass key for the front door.
The lock is a bit old, but very strong indeed.
It turns very smoothly in my hand right today.
I oiled the hinges just a few short days ago.
The entrance feels very warm and very welcoming to me.
Many happy families lived in this house before you.
I hope to bring more happy stories into these walls.
You look like a very responsible and quiet young teacher.
I spend most of my time reading and preparing lessons.
That sounds like a perfect match for this quiet street.
Are the neighbors also quiet during the late evening hours?
Most of them are elderly people who love their sleep.
I see a small mailbox near the garden gate.
The mail arrives every day around 10 in the morning.
Can I put my name on the small white sign?
Of course, you can make this place your own home.
I have my first month of rent ready for you.
We can discuss the details inside the sunny kitchen.
The air feels very fresh near this big oak tree.
This tree provides a lot of shade during hot summers.
I love the smell of the old wood and grass.
Let us step inside to see the living room area.
I am very excited to see the rest of the house.
Follow me. The floor is very clean and very shiny.
The kitchen has a very large and bright window.
I think sunlight is very important for a happy life.
I can see the whole garden while I drink tea.
Everything in the kitchen works in a perfect way.
Is the stove gas or is it an electric one?
It is a modern gas stove, very easy to use.
I prefer cooking my meals on a real blue flame.
I have a small request about the heavy trash bins.
Please tell me everything I need to know, Mr. Higgins.
The truck comes every Friday morning very early today.
I will put the bins near the road every Thursday.
Also, please do not make very loud music after 10.
I usually listen to music through my soft black headphones.
That is a very considerate thing for a tenant.
Can I hang some small pictures on the white walls?
Please use the small hooks, not the large heavy nails.
I have some special hooks that do not leave marks.
I appreciate your care for the paint in the walls.
What should I do if a pipe starts to leak?
You can call me at any time of the day.
Do you live far away from this little cottage, sir?
I live in the yellow house just across the street.
That is very convenient for both of us, I think.
I can be here in less than 2 short minutes.
The rent includes the water and the high-speed internet.
Yes, the electricity is the only extra thing to pay.
That is a very fair deal for such a place.
I want you to feel very comfortable and very safe.
I feel very lucky to find such a kind landlord.
I am lucky to find such a polite English teacher.
The bedroom has a very tall and wide wooden closet.
There is plenty of space for all your many books.
I have at least 10 boxes of English grammar books.
The shelves are very strong and can hold heavy weight.
I noticed a small squeak in the hallway floor today.
Old houses always have a little bit of a voice.
It sounds like a tiny mouse is hiding under there.
I will check the wood and fix it for you.
It is not a big problem, just a small detail.
I want everything to be very quiet for your lessons.
Thank you. That is very kind of you, Mr. Higgins.
The heater is located under the large window over there.
Does it keep the room warm during the cold winter?
The insulation in the walls is very thick and good.
I like to be warm while I read my stories.
You can adjust the temperature with this small round dial.
It looks very simple and very easy to understand today.
I checked the smoke alarm in the ceiling this morning.
Safety is always the most important thing in a home.
I change the batteries every 6 months without any fail.
You are a very organized landlord, I can see that.
I treat this house like my own very special treasure.
I will treat it with the same respect and care.
The bathroom has a very large and deep white tub.
A warm bath is perfect after a long school day.
The water pressure is very strong and steady here.
Everything seems to be in a very wonderful condition today.
I want to be sure you have no more questions.
I am ready to sign the official rental agreement now.
Let us sit down at the table and finish this.
Write 1 English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.
I have my black pen ready in my small bag.
I have the contract here on this white paper today.
I will read every page very carefully before I sign.
Take all the time you need. There is no hurry.
The deposit is equal to 1 month of the rent.
I will return it when you decide to move away.
I hope to stay here for a very long time.
I am very happy to hear your positive words today.
The contract says no pets are allowed in the house.
A small goldfish in a bowl is perfectly fine.
I do not have a dog or a loud cat.
That is good for the wooden floors and the furniture.
I will sign my name at the very bottom line.
I will also sign to make the document very official.
Here is the first month of rent in this envelope.
I will give you a written receipt for the money.
Thank you for being so professional about the whole process.
Trust is the most important thing between us, Emma.
I agree. Honesty makes every relationship much better and stronger.
I will keep my copy in my small home office.
I will put my copy in my school folder today.
The house is now officially yours for the next year.
I feel so happy to have my own quiet space.
You can start moving your things tomorrow morning at 8.
My friends are coming with a small truck to help.
I will make sure the driveway is clear for them.
That is very helpful. Thank you once again, Mr. Higgins.
I will leave you to dream about your new home.
I can already see where my books will go today.
This house needs a soul, and you are the one.
Let us look at the garden gate one last time.
The latch is a bit loose on the white wood.
It makes a small clicking sound when the wind blows.
I will fix it with a small metal screw today.
The fence keeps the garden very private and very safe.
I painted the whole fence just last summer, Emma.
The white color looks very bright against the green grass.
There is a small shed for your bicycle over there.
I ride my bike to the school every single day.
The shed has a lock and is very dry inside.
That is perfect for my blue bicycle and the tires.
Do you have any more boxes coming from the city?
Only a few more boxes with my summer clothes today.
The neighborhood is very safe for a young woman alone.
I saw a police car patrolling the street earlier today.
They are very active and very friendly in this town.
I feel very peaceful in this beautiful and quiet place.
The street lights turn on exactly at 7 every evening.
I like a well-lit path when I come home late.
You will never be in the dark in this garden.
Is there a grocery store within a short walking distance?
There is a small bakery just 2 blocks away today.
I love the smell of fresh bread in the morning.
They also have the best apple pies in the county.
I will go there for my breakfast tomorrow morning first.
Tell them that Mr. Higgins sent you to their shop.
Maybe they will give me a small extra cookie today.
They are very generous with all the new neighbors here.
Everything is absolutely perfect for my new life here today.
I'm glad to see you so happy, Miss Emma.
I am holding the keys in my hand right now.
They are the keys to your new and happy life.
I can hear the birds singing in the oak tree.
They are welcoming the new teacher to the neighborhood.
I will be very happy in this small, cozy cottage.
I will go home and let you explore the rooms.
Thank you for a very wonderful and easy day today.
Welcome to our street, Emma. Have a great night.
I will see you tomorrow morning, Mr. Higgins. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Emma. Sleep well in your new house today.
I am walking back to the front porch very slowly.
She is a very lovely girl for this old house.
I turn the key and the door opens wide today.
I am walking across the street to my own home.
The hallway is full of the golden sunset light now.
The lights in her house look very warm and bright.
I will put my notebook on the kitchen table first.
I am glad the house is full of life again.
This is the start of a very beautiful new chapter.
I will sleep better knowing she is safe there today.
I will make a cup of tea and relax.
Tomorrow will be a very busy day for the teacher.
I feel so much peace in this small wooden house.
The stars are coming out over the garden gate now.
I am looking out of the window at the sky.
Good night to my new friend in my old cottage.
Good night to the moon and my beautiful new garden.
Everything is exactly where it should be in the world.
I am finally home and I am very, very happy.
May your dreams be as sweet as the red roses.